Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you claim requests are closed, cats exchange problem fix, and how to claim cats airdrop. As you can see, claiming your cat's airdrop is straightforward and can be done through the cat's bot on Telegram. Step 1. Join the cat's bot on Telegram. Open Telegram and search for the cat's bot. Join the bot to access the cat's mini app and begin participating in its various activities to accumulate points. Step 2. Verify your account. The cat's bot will analyze your Telegram account to determine eligibility. It considers factors like your account age, activity level, and whether you are a Telegram premium subscriber. Step 3. Engage in activity to earn points. Participate in daily tasks. Upload cat photos, refer friends, and subscribe to partner channel to maximize your points. Engage in these activities, increase your airdrop rewards. Step 4. Access the airdrop gateway. On September 27, the airdrop gateway was opened. To claim your cat's token, open the cat's bot in Telegram. Locate the airdrop icon on the main page and click it. Follow the on-screen instructions to access the claim page. Step 5. Complete the final snapshot requirements. Make sure you have completed all required activities by September 30, the date of the final snapshot, to secure your eligibility for the airdrop. Once you have followed these steps, you will be set to receive your cat's token when the distribution begins. Don't forget to withdraw your tokens to a supported exchange like Ucoin before the October 3 deadline to take advantage of zero deposit fees and additional trading opportunities. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.